Do you want to learn how to make thumbnails like Iman Gadhzi with AI? In this video, I'm going to help solve that problem. We're going to be using this tool called Pikzels to create this type of thumbnail. Pikzels is an AI tool which allows you to create viral thumbnails and titles in seconds. It's actually made for YouTube thumbnails. And as you can see here, these are all the thumbnails that are created with the help of Pikzels. Now, I'm going to show you step by step on how to recreate Iman Gadhzi thumbnail in Pikzels. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to click the link in the description to get to this page and sign up for a free account. You can generate first 5 thumbnails for free. No credit card is required. And if you do decide to get one of these plans and buy them, it may help me with a small commission. Now, once you've created an account on Pikzels, you'll be taken over to the dashboard page. Inside here, create a new chat. And inside this, click on recreate. Inside here, you can link to a thumbnail or a YouTube video which you want to recreate, or you can upload a thumbnail which you have downloaded and you want to recreate it. You can do both of these. So in my case, I'm going to put a link. To find it, I'm going to go over to YouTube, type here Iman Gadhzi. Now I'm going to find all of these thumbnails here. So what I'm going to do is to go over to his channel and inside it, go to videos. I kind of like this latest one that he has. So I'm going to go inside it. And on the right, I have a vidIQ extension, which is free to use. And if you have this extension, you can download the thumbnail directly. It's really good and you should get it, which you can get from Chrome Web Store. And down here, they also have these thumbnail changes. Download this from here. Go back to Pikzels. You can either put the link of this video here, or you can upload in thumbnail, which I'm going to do. Upload the thumbnail here, make the inspiration weight high. With high is going to make it exactly like this, but recreate it. With medium and low, I'm going to show you what it does next. You can ask the AI to make changes to the thumbnail when it recreates it. We are going to keep it empty and generate. As you generate this, it's going to take in 10 credits from your total balance. Let's generate this. And there you go. It has recreated the thumbnail exactly like this, but it has recreated it a lot. Like this was the thumbnail and has recreated it like this. Now you can edit it and make changes to it. But what I'm going to do is make it medium and show you what it does. So this is what it created with medium. Let's see what it does in low. And this is for low. It recreates it again like this. And what you can do is you can add your own face swap it. Instead of this face, I'm going to put my own face. But instead of low, let's go to medium or high. And in high, I'm going to click on this face swap. You can upload your own picture here. So I'm going to upload it. Now my face has been uploaded here. I'm going to click on generate and let's see what it creates. And there you go. My face has been swapped on this picture from this to this. And it looks quite good. And you can do the same with Pikzels AI. Click the link in the description and head over to here. Try it for free. Generate 5 thumbnails without a credit card. And if you do decide to get one of these plans, I may get a small commission. And that's it. This is how to create a YouTube thumbnail like Iman Gadhzi. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.